I'm going to share my top strategies to boost your savings and investments so you can outpace inflation and watch your money grow. Inflation is a silent killer of your purchasing power, slowly eroding the value of your money over time. It's a natural economic phenomenon, but that doesn't mean you have to sit back and let it happen. The effects of inflation can be devastating, especially for those living on a fixed income or saving for long-term goals. Inflation can make your money worth less than it was before, which means you can buy fewer goods and services with the same amount of money. This is why it's essential to find ways to make your money grow faster than inflation, so you can maintain your standard of living and achieve your financial goals. Many people struggle to keep up with inflation, and it's not uncommon to see savings accounts and investments shrink in value over time. The key to beating inflation is to be proactive and take control of your finances. This means being aware of the current inflation rate, understanding how it affects your money, and making informed decisions about your investments. It's not just about saving money, it's about making your money work for you. By investing wisely and taking calculated risks, you can potentially earn higher returns than the inflation rate, effectively growing your wealth over time. Understanding inflation is crucial to making informed decisions about your finances. Inflation is measured by the Consumer Price Index, which tracks the average change in prices of a basket of goods and services. When the inflation rate is high, it means prices are rising rapidly, and your money is losing value quickly. On the other hand, low inflation rates indicate a more stable economy, and your money is likely to retain its value. Having the right financial tools and investment platforms is crucial to making your money grow. A high-yield savings account, for example, can provide a safe and liquid place to park your emergency fund, earning a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. You should also consider investing in index funds or ETFs, which offer broad diversification and can be less expensive than actively managed funds. Basic financial knowledge is also essential for making informed investment decisions. This includes understanding concepts like compound interest, risk tolerance, and diversification. Compound interest can help your investments grow exponentially over time, while risk tolerance will help you determine how much risk you're willing to take on in pursuit of higher returns. Diversification is key to managing risk, as it spreads your investments across different asset classes, reducing the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, can also help your money grow faster. These accounts offer tax benefits that can help your investments compound more quickly, and they often provide a range of investment options to choose from. You should also consider working with a financial advisor or using a robo-advisor to help you create a personalized investment plan tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to make your money grow, but it's essential to have a solid understanding of the different types of investments available. Stocks, for example, represent ownership in companies and offer the potential for long-term growth. Bonds, on the other hand, represent debt and offer regular income in the form of interest payments. Real estate investing can also provide a potential source of passive income and long-term appreciation. When it comes to investing in stocks, it's essential to have a well-thought-out plan. This includes setting clear investment goals, determining your risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes. You should also consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, which can provide a regular stream of income and help reduce volatility. Dollar cost averaging is another strategy that can help you invest in the stock market with confidence. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. By doing so, you can reduce the impact of market volatility and avoid trying to time the market. Investing in bonds can provide a regular income stream and help reduce risk in your portfolio. Government bonds, for example, are generally considered to be very low risk and offer a fixed rate of return. Corporate bonds, on the other hand, offer a higher rate of return but come with a higher level of risk. Real estate investing can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn higher returns. This can include investing in rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding platforms. Direct property investment can provide a potential source of passive income and long-term appreciation, but it often requires significant capital and ongoing management. REITs, on the other hand, allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without directly managing them. They can provide a regular stream of income and the potential for long-term growth, and they often trade on major stock exchanges, making it easy to buy and sell shares. Investing in index funds or ETFs can also provide broad diversification and potentially lower fees. These funds track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, and offer a range of benefits, including reduced risk and increased potential for long-term growth. Creating a diversified portfolio is essential to managing risk and achieving your investment goals. This includes spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's also essential to consider your time horizon and risk tolerance when creating your portfolio. Investing for the long term can help you ride out market fluctuations and potentially earn higher returns. It's essential to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market movements and instead focus on your long-term goals. Regular portfolio rebalancing can also help you stay on track and ensure your investments remain aligned with your goals. This involves periodically reviewing your portfolio and making adjustments as needed to maintain an optimal asset allocation. Having a solid understanding of risk management is also essential to achieving your investment goals. This includes understanding the different types of risk, such as market risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk. Real-life examples can help illustrate the potential benefits of investing wisely. For instance, let's consider an investor who put $10,000 into a high-yield savings account earning 2% interest. After 1 year, they would have earned $200 in interest, bringing their total balance to $10,200. In contrast, an investor who put $10,000 into a stock market index fund earning an average annual return of 7% would have $10,700 after 1 year, and $14,000 after 5 years. This demonstrates the potential power of investing in the stock market, especially over the long term. Using graphs or charts can help illustrate the growth of your investments over time. For example, a chart showing the historical performance of the S&P 500 index can help demonstrate the potential for long-term growth and the impact of compounding. Another example is the story of an investor who started saving $500 per month in a retirement account at age 25. By the time they retired at age 65, they had contributed over $200,000, but their account balance had grown to over $1 million, thanks to the power of compounding and long-term growth. Risk management is essential to achieving your investment goals. This includes understanding the different types of risk, such as market risk, credit risk, and liquidity risk. Diversification is key to managing risk, as it spreads your investments across different asset classes, reducing the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Diversification can also involve investing in different geographic regions, sectors, or asset classes. For example, you could invest in a mix of domestic and international stocks, or combine stocks with bonds and real estate. The importance of long-term planning cannot be overstated. Investing for the long term can help you ride out market fluctuations and potentially earn higher returns. It's essential to avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market movements and instead focus on your long-term goals. Many investors make the mistake of trying to time the market, which can be a costly error. This involves trying to buy or sell investments based on predictions of future market movements, rather than focusing on long-term fundamentals. Another common mistake is failing to diversify, which can leave your portfolio vulnerable to market volatility. This can include investing too heavily in a single stock or sector, or failing to balance your portfolio with a mix of different asset classes. Overspending is another pitfall that can derail your investment plans. This can include spending too much on luxuries or failing to save enough for long-term goals. Lack of patience is also a common mistake, as investing is a long-term game that requires discipline and persistence. It's essential to avoid getting caught up in short-term market fluctuations and instead focus on your long-term goals. To maximize your returns and achieve your investment goals, it's essential to recap the key strategies discussed. This includes understanding the effects of inflation, using the right financial tools and investment platforms, and creating a diversified portfolio. Investing wisely requires a combination of knowledge, discipline, and patience. By following the strategies outlined, you can potentially earn higher returns and achieve your long-term goals. To get started, it's essential to take a proactive approach to your finances, rather than simply saving money in a low-interest account. This includes setting clear investment goals, determining your risk tolerance, and creating a personalized investment plan. Investing in your financial education is also essential to achieving your goals. This can include reading books, taking courses, or working with a financial advisor to help you create a personalized investment plan.